Recruitment is a major concern across many industries. So how can you make your firm stand out and attract great candidates? I will tell you 4 ways. First, have a section on your website devoted to what it is like to live and work in your city. You may have one office or several, but candidates want accessible information about the culture, cost of living, and lifestyle as a future employee. You can find this information elsewhere, but it's nice to have it on your website. Despite remote work trends, candidates are still willing to move to the location of their jobs if they can afford it and if the schedule is flexible. Provide easy links to city information and include employee testimonials about why they love their lifestyle at a particular location. If you are open to remote hiring, however, by all means include that in your job descriptions. It's a small thing, but candidates notice it immediately. My second tip is to promote your firm culture beyond images and employees socializing. Candidates are actively exploring and asking questions about whether or not the firm's values align with theirs. They also want clear career advancement and development tracks. Offer specific examples about how your firm is inclusive and socially responsible. Show them ideally through images and video how they can improve their career and life by working with you. Candidates compare compensation and benefits and work-life balance, but they also want to know if your firm is keeping up with the newest technology. So my third tip is about investing in resources and tools that help employees do their jobs well. This may include better workflow tools and upgraded software, but it could also include a larger monitor for their home office or an upgraded business cell phone. Whether you are in a hybrid or remote work environment, make sure that your tech support information is shared with candidates. And my final tip is about monitoring your digital reputation. Job sites such as Glassdoor allow current and past employees to leave reviews about what it's like to work at your firm. Good candidates may or may not apply to your firm if you have too many negative reviews. It's okay to ask current employees to leave a review on Glassdoor or Google Business. Ask if they are willing to share their honest experience on these sites. If you're concerned about employee reviews, then it's a signal that you may have other issues to address. If you need talent, you have to constantly monitor and improve your digital visibility, your communication, and your online reputation. Talk to us at Ingenuity about better strategies for recruitment.